Finding a hospital in a hurry.
Excuse me, where is the nearest hospital?
Are you okay? You look very worried.
My friend is not feeling well, and I'm really concerned.
I'm sorry to hear that. What happened?
They suddenly felt dizzy and weak.
That does sound serious.
Yes, I'm not sure what to do.
You're doing the right thing by asking for help.
We need to get medical help as soon as possible.
The nearest hospital is about 10 minutes away.
That feels quite far right now.
Do you have a car nearby?
No, we came here on foot earlier.
Then taking a taxi would be much faster.
Where can I find one quickly?
There's a taxi stand just around the corner.
Is it easy to find from here?
Yes, you just need to walk straight for a minute.
Can my friend walk that far safely?
It's very close, so it should be okay.
I'm starting to feel a bit stressed.
Stay calm. You're handling the situation well.
Thank you. I'm trying my best.
Once you get a taxi, tell them it's urgent.
Yes, I will do that.
They should take you there quickly.
I really appreciate your help.
I hope your friend feels better soon.
Me too. Thank you again.
You're welcome. Take care. Lost tourist looking for a bus stop.
Excuse me, where is the bus stop?
Which bus are you looking for today?
The number 25 bus to the city center.
Oh, that stop has actually moved recently.
Really? I didn't know that at all.
Yes, a lot of visitors get confused about it.
That makes sense because I've been walking around for quite a while now.
I can imagine, especially if you're not familiar with the area.
I also have these heavy bags, so it's been quite tiring.
Yes, that definitely makes it harder to walk around.
I think I might have gone completely the wrong way earlier.
Don't worry, it happens to many people here.
Could you please explain the directions slowly?
Of course. Go straight ahead from here.
Okay, straight ahead.
Then turn right at the traffic lights.
Are there any landmarks I should look for?
Yes, you'll see a new blue bus shelter.
That sounds helpful.
It's very noticeable once you get close.
Is it far from here?
About a 5-minute walk at a normal pace.
I hope I don't miss the bus after all this walking.
Don't worry, the buses come every 10 minutes.
That's really good to know.
So even if you miss one, another will arrive soon.
That makes me feel much better.
You still have plenty of time.
Thank you so much for your help and patience.
You're very welcome.
Have a great day.
You too, and enjoy your visit.
Searching for a café with Wi-Fi.
Excuse me, where can I find a cafe around here?
There's one just across the street.
Do you know if they have Wi-Fi available?
I'm not completely sure about that one.
I really need internet to finish some important work.
In that case, you might want a quieter place.
Yes, I also need somewhere calm to sit for a while.
Then I recommend the cafe on the next block.
Is it far from here?
No, it's just a short walk.
Is it easy to find?
Yes, it's right next to a bookstore.
That sounds like a nice place.
It's very popular with students and freelancers.
That means they probably have good Wi-Fi.
Yes, and there are many tables to work at.
That's exactly what I'm looking for.
You should be able to work comfortably there.
Do they serve good coffee as well?
Yes, their coffee is actually very good.
Perfect. That's even better.
You'll probably enjoy the atmosphere too.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your time there.
Looking for a supermarket before closing.
Excuse me, is there a supermarket near here?
Yes, there's one just down the street.
Do you know if it's still open right now?
I believe it closes at 9 p.m.
Oh no, it's already 8:50.
Then you don't have much time left.
I really need to buy some food for tonight.
You should hurry if you want to make it.
I didn't realize it was so late already.
Time passes quickly when you're busy.
Yes, I've been walking around all evening.
That happens a lot in this area.
Could you tell me the fastest way to get there?
Sure, go straight and turn left at the corner.
Is it easy to recognize?
Yes, it's next to a pharmacy with a bright sign.
That should help me find it faster.
Exactly, you can't really miss it.
Is it far from here?
About 3 minutes if you walk quickly.
I'll walk as fast as I can.
You should still make it in time.
I really hope they don't close early today.
Sometimes they stay open a few minutes longer.
That gives me a bit of hope.
Just go quickly and you'll be fine.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Good luck.
Can't find the train station entrance.
Excuse me, where is the train station?
It's right over there across the street.
I went there earlier, but I couldn't find the entrance anywhere.
Oh, that's because the main entrance is closed today for maintenance.
That explains why I couldn't get inside.
Yes, many people are confused about it today.
I thought I was at the wrong station.
No, you were definitely in the right place.
So how can I get inside now?
You need to use the side entrance instead.
Where exactly is that located?
Walk around the building to the left side.
Is there a sign to guide me?
Yes, but it's quite small and easy to miss.
That's probably why I didn't see it before.
Yes, a lot of people walk past it.
I'm also running late for my train.
Then you should hurry a little.
How far is the entrance from here?
Just about 2 minutes away.
Do you think I can still make my train?
If you walk quickly, you should be fine.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Good luck.
I really appreciate it.
No problem at all.
Parking problem near a mall.
Excuse me, where can I park my car around here?
There's a parking lot near the mall.
I already went there, but it was completely full.
Yes, it gets very busy, especially at this time of day.
I've been driving around for almost 15 minutes now.
That sounds really frustrating.
Yes, I'm starting to get a bit stressed.
I understand. Parking can be difficult here.
Do you know another place I can try?
Yes, there's another parking area behind the mall.
Is it easy to find from here?
Not really. It's a bit hidden from the main road.
Could you explain the directions clearly?
Sure, drive straight and turn right at the second traffic light.
Okay, straight and then right.
After that, you'll see a small entrance.
Is there a sign for it?
Yes, but it's quite small, so pay attention.
I'll try not to miss it this time.
Good idea. It's easy to drive past it.
Is it far from here?
About 5 minutes by car.
I hope there's space available there.
It's usually less crowded than the main one.
That sounds promising.
You should be able to find a spot.
Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. Good luck.
Looking for an office building with the wrong address. Excuse me, I'm trying to find this office building.
Let me take a look at the address.
Here it is on my phone.
I think this address might be slightly wrong.
Really? That's strange.
Yes, I recognize the company name, but not this street number.
Oh no, I have an important meeting there.
Don't worry, we can figure it out.
I hope I'm not too late already.
What time is your meeting?
In about 15 minutes.
Okay, we should act quickly then.
Do you know where the correct building is?
Yes, it's actually on the next street.
That's a relief.
Go straight and turn left at the traffic lights.
Okay, straight and then left.
The building is tall and made of glass.
That should be easy to recognize.
It has the company logo on the front.
Perfect. That will help a lot.
It's about 3 minutes from here.
I think I can make it in time.
Yes, if you walk quickly.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Good luck with your meeting.
Thanks. I really appreciate it.
No problem.
Looking for a gas station with low fuel.
Excuse me, is there a gas station near here?
Yes, there's one not too far away.
That's good, because my fuel is almost empty.
Oh, then you should go there as soon as possible.
Yes, I'm a bit worried I might run out of fuel.
Don't worry, you're still close enough.
I hope so, because I don't see any stations around.
It's a bit hidden from the main road.
That's probably why I missed it earlier.
Yes, many drivers pass it without noticing.
Could you tell me exactly how to get there?
Sure. Drive straight for about 2 minutes.
Okay, straight ahead.
Then turn left at the traffic lights.
Is there a sign for the station?
Yes, but it's not very big.
I'll try to look carefully this time.
It's next to a small convenience store.
That should help me find it.
You should see it easily once you're close.
I really hope I make it there in time.
You will. It's very close.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Drive safely.
Looking for a tourist attraction that's closed.
Excuse me, how do I get to the old museum?
It's just down this road.
That's great. I've wanted to visit it all day.
Are you planning to go now?
Yes, I finally have some free time.
I'm sorry to tell you this, but it's closed today.
Oh no, really? That's disappointing.
Yes, it's closed for maintenance this week.
I wish I had known earlier.
Many tourists don't realize until they arrive.
Is there anything else I can visit nearby?
Yes, there's an art gallery just around the corner.
That sounds interesting.
It's open and not very crowded.
How do I get there?
Go straight and turn left at the traffic lights.
Is it far from here?
Only about 4 minutes on foot.
That's perfect.
You'll see a large glass building.
That should be easy to find.
Yes, and the entrance is clearly marked.
Thank you for the suggestion.
You're welcome.
I'll go there instead.
Enjoy your visit.
Looking for a restaurant, but it's fully booked.
Excuse me. Do you know where the Garden Restaurant is?
Yes, it's just down this street.
That's great. I've heard very good things about it.
It is quite popular, especially in the evenings.
I hope I can get a table.
Do you have a reservation?
No, I don't.
It might be difficult then.
Oh, I didn't realize it would be so busy.
Yes, it's often fully booked.
I've been looking forward to eating there all day.
I understand. It's a nice place.
Could you still tell me how to get there?
Of course. Go straight and turn left at the corner.
Is it easy to find?
Yes, it has a large sign and outdoor seating.
That sounds
it's
nice.
It's about 3 minutes from here.
If it's full, do you know another place nearby?
Yes. There's another good restaurant across the street.
Is it similar in style?
Yes, and it's usually less crowded.
That's good to know.
You should be able to get a table there.
That makes me feel
You'll
better.
still have a good meal.
Thank you for your help and suggestion.
You're welcome.
Have a nice evening.
You too.